So here is Spicy Chat AI app. So here is Spicy Chat AI. You can just find it like this. Yeah, so this is one of the alternatives to character AI. And yeah, you can just chat with characters and ignite your imagination with Spicy Chat AI, unlimited free AI roleplay chat. Engage with over 450,000 community created AI characters. Create your own AI companions, make them public or keep them private. Experience advanced AI model technology. Explore the world of AI roleplay with Spicy Chat, free and effortless. Where you're not just a user but explorer of expansive universe. Limitless conversations. Create your ultimate AI companion. And yeah, here it is. So here is, you can just go and chat. All these people are like bots, so there are no real people. AI technology is getting really good, but yeah, these are not real people. And then it just says upgrade to skip the line. Waiting time in line isn't anyone's favorite activity, so we wanted to shed some light on why you're here. So fortunately, sometimes you need to wait if it's a popular bot. Alternatively, you can just upgrade. So monthly, you can see there are different plans. There is Get a Taste. If you just want to skip the waiting line, it's just $5 per month. All in is $25 per month, quite expensive. Support is $15 per month. So that you have that. Then you have your account, super quickly to sign in. You can create your own bot. Then there are chats. Then there is your account, and that's it. Then you can just delete your account from here. So that's basically what it is.